Hello and welcome to the Causse de Quercy Natural Park, right in the heart of the rolling limestone countryside of the Eastern Lot. My name's Simon Leighton Porter and I'm one of the legate agents who make up the team covering this beautiful and unspoilt part of southwest France. Today we're just outside the village of Cabreret, which itself is about 25 kilometres northeast of Cahors and 5 kilometres northwest of the famous clifftop village of Saint-Cyr-la-Popie. And the property we're going to see today is run as a gîte business, and it's a gîte business with a difference. The main building is a 2-storey stone farmhouse that has been completely renovated and now offers 250 square metres of living space, including a luxury gîte in storerooms on the ground floor, a covered terrace, 1 hectare of land and a swimming pool with a sun terrace. On the upper floor is the owner's accommodation with 2 bedrooms, one with a dressing room, a luxury shower room, a feature kitchen and a 9 by 8 metre living room with a picture window to a terrace with stunning views over the natural park. Well, I told you it was a gîte with a difference. As you can see behind me, there are 2 of the 4 transparent stargazing bubbles where the guests can spend a peaceful night under the stars in a proper bed in complete comfort. This isn't camping, it's not even glamping, this is real luxury. No biting insects, no chance of being rained on, no lumpy sleeping bags on hard ground. Although remember of course that your bedroom is completely see-through, so if you're going to get up in the night and turn the lights on, don't forget your PJs. Now, stargazing gîtes is certainly a very unusual idea, but it's a highly successful one and it attracts plenty of repeat business for the owners during a season that runs from April right through to November. Now, another piece of good news is that there's planning permission to add either 2 more bubble gîtes or hard standing gîtes to make a total of 6. Now, if you don't fancy running a business, the property is available at a lower price without the bubble gîtes and would make an ideal holiday home or even your forever home, far from the madding crowd. We hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to find out more about this property or any of the others in my portfolio, please click on the link below. Thanks again and goodbye.